1997 Ford Thunderbird. We found the heater hose was leaking, and cylinder number 4, where the plug wire connects to the plug, was full of fluid. So we have an interim fix to get us going and get the car back on the road for the evening. Dave is using a trusty
Tampax with an applicator, and you don't really need the applicator in this instance, so all you got to do is pull it out and put it in the hole. See if I can do this. Maybe I can't. There we go. Gotta know how to use them. I don't know how to use them.
You never used one of those before, huh, Dave?
Nope.
It's kind of fitting that the car is red.
So, you girls are out there, when you're in a pinch, these things can be used for just about anything.
It's going to swell up so big you might not be able to get it back in the
Yeah,
hole.
I'm checking that. Boy, that cylinder's hot. My finger in there and it's burning. It's swelling up a little bit. Not a whole lot.
Did you get it in the hole?
Yep. Doesn't seem to be getting a lot of it.
Is it super absorbent?
It is.
You having a tough time getting it out, or?
Yeah, I can't get it all the way in there. She's tight. Oh, there it is.
There it is. Look at that.
Swelled up.
Successful job. Tampon has successfully dried out the cylinder wall. Now we just need to reconnect the plug wire and see if we've got a normal functioning and firing cylinder on the number 4 cylinder.
Wow, what a fix.
Thumbs up for the
the girl at the auto parts store with a backup tampon just in case.
again, 1997 Ford Thunderbird tampon repair fix for fluid-filled cylinder number 4. Give me a thumbs up there, Dave.
It worked.